Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that safe accounts, how to set up automatic stop loss across all your Axiom wallets. If you don't use stop loss, you are gambling. Let's fix that. But before proceeding further, if you haven't joined Axiom Trade, make sure to join it with our referral code, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can use our referral link, which is available into the description of this video. If you sign up from through our referral code or our referral link, you can save your money on transaction fees, and it's free for forever. Okay, and it's easy to use. So let's get back to the video. So first of all, what is a stop loss? A stop loss is like a safety brake in a car. If price drops to a certain level, your trade automatically closes. It protects your money when the market goes down. Why it's important for multi-wallet users? For example, if you use 5 wallets, 10 wallets, or even more, you cannot manually watch every trade. That's why automation is very important. So here's a step one: enable stop loss in trading panel. So as you can see that there are multiple trending coins here. If you go into any of it, so whenever you are buying a token, look at the trade panel, find stop loss option in it and turn it on. As you can see that in the buy section, you will see an add option. Here you can select your stop loss. Okay, for example, stop loss at -20. It's up to you. Okay, and if price drops 20%, it auto sells. Simple. So there's a step to use percentage based rule. For beginners, keep it simple. Low risk tokens for around 15 to 20%, which will stop. Okay, and high risk, for high risk meme coins, you can put the stop loss about 25 to 35%. Okay, too tight is equal to gets triggered early. Okay, and if there's too lows, it means it's a big loss. Okay, so here's a step 3: apply same rule to every wallet. There's an important point: use the same stop loss rule across all wallets. For example, every wallet 20% max loss. This keeps your total risk controlled. So here's a pro tip for you guys: never risk more than 5 to 10% of total capital per wallet. If stop loss hits, damage stays small. Okay, and there are some simple rule to remember: protect first and profit second. If you protect capital, you can trade forever. So before ending this video, if you haven't joined the platform, you can use our referral code, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can use our referral link, which is available into the description of video, so that you can save on your transaction fees forever. If this video helps you, make sure to press the like button and hit the subscribe button. Comment risk if you want advanced capital management next. Okay, so trade smart, stay protected. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.